last class we have to learn about the steps of the cultivation, that is sowing, tilling, seeding, weeding, and harvesting, and irrigation. The steps after we have to go to the protect our crops. Then we have to learn about that how to protect the fields or crops. That is, we have to use the pesticides. Pesticides means a pest and animals and insects, and that destroys crops and the plants. These are called pesticides. The pesticides are chemicals that are used for killing pests. Some pesticides are two types, that is natural and man-made. The natural pesticides are used for destroying the plants leaves and that animal wastage. And what is that? That wastage of that forming the stems, leaves, branches. They have to produce one place, they have to store one place. In that, going to after summer, we have to filling that. We have to add that add manure, that pesticides are natural pesticides. And another one is that chemical pesticides, that is called, it is made up of chemicals like poisonous chemicals, adding that chemicals to pesticides to killing the pests of the crops. Why we are using? To kill the germs, insects in the crops. That is that pesticides are two types. One is natural and next is man-made. Natural pesticides to help to that. See, pesticides are chemical or poisonous for the both farmers and the as well as crops. It's harmful to farmers and crops. Which pesticides? The chemical pesticides too harmful to the crops and as well as farmers. When we are keeping the crops to pesticides, on the time we have to smell the smell. We have to observe the smell, means it can harmful to our body. We can unconscious, like we have to go to coma or death. That harmful to us in these chemicals using of pesticides. For that, farmers and crops, then we can use biopesticides means natural pesticides. We can call another name also biopesticides, that is the wastage of tree leaves, branches, animal wastage, cow dung, and animals wastage destroying materials are used to one place, stored to one place. We have to add to the crops. That is called biopesticides or pesticides. That made from the natural material. It is made from the natural pesticides. Now we have to learn about the steps of cultivation and how to protect the crops and what are the proteins or vitamins pesticides we can use. That is, pesticides are two types, natural and chemical. We can prefer to the natural pesticides only because of that harmful to our farmers as well as crops. Then we can use more natural pesticides like biopest, that is made by that animal wastage, cow dung, animal dungs, and plants wastage like leaves, branches, stems. We can store one place. We can use to crops to improve our cultivation. It is helpful to the farmer. But chemical pesticides harmful to the farmers and as well as crops. Then we can avoid as well as we can avoid the chemical pesticides. Now we can learn about our crops can be farmed to our India. That is divided into the categories based on their use. There are two types of crops are there. One is that food crops. Next is cash crops. Two types. Here food crops. This one. And cash crops. There are two types of crops are there. One is food crops and the cash crops. Now we have to, food crops means what? Food means we can eat, we can take as a food. That is called food crops. They are the crops that are produced for use of food are called food crops. How can we call food crops? The crops that produced food. We can produce use of food, that is called food crops. Is that mainly these food crops we can mention here. Once you look at the blackboard, see here crops, features and states. Name of the crop, what is the feature, and which states are they are producing the crops. We can learn about now. Rice. First of all, rice, we know that it grows in a hot and humid climate. Where it grows rice, that is hot and humid climate. Hot and humid climate. It is stable. It is staple food. Staple food means main food. It is the main food in the eastern north of India. East, north, southern parts of India. What is the main food of that India? That rice crop is that main food of India, that is eastern, north, south parts of India. It is used for food as here they are taking north, eastern, south parts of India. Next, India is the second largest producer of rice after China. It is that in the world our place is second. That is, India is the second largest producer of rice after China. China is the first place producing of rice. Our India is the second place in the world to produce the rice. In that our India, the states are producing rice, that is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Which states are producing the rice? That Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, AP, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Rice producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, AP, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next one is that wheat. The wheat crops are, it grows in India cool. It grows in place where it is grows cool and moist climate. Moist climate means cool, weather challaga undali. That it is the staple food in the northern parts of India. It is the main food of northern parts of India. What is that? Is they have to take the wheat only. They have to make the chapatis and food varieties, food of the wheat flour. They have to make the varieties of that. That is main food in the northern parts of India. Which states are producing that wheat? Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Gujarat. Which place are producing the wheat? Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Gujarat. Next one is the third one, pulses. Do you know pulses? Yes, all food grains are that we can call pulses. That India is the largest consumer as well as producer. This is that India is the largest consumer as well as producer of pulses. That they are rich in protein in the pulses. What is that? Rich in proteins. And the pulses are ahar, moong, masoor, chickpea, peanuts and gram, moong dal and kidney beans, pulses. These are pulses. Which states are growing these crops now, producing the crops? That Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. Which states, what the crops are growing? That pulses. That is the largest consumer of India and producer. Largest consumer as well as the producer of India. And the states are that Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, AP, Punjab, Haryana. These states are producing pulses. And wheat producing the states Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat. Next one is that millets. Do you know very well this one? Millets means that is That is a coarse grains like jawar, bajra and ragi or millets. That is that you know that ragi grains, food grains, jawar, bajra, these are called millets. That is produced in the states are that Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Millets are produced in the states that is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. These are the food crops. What is that? These are the food crops. This is the chart you can prepare that is on the worksheet. What is the worksheet? Do you know this? You have to mention the food crops and label the table and mention that crop features and states you have to where it is produced. You should write that is the social in this the third part worksheet. That too I am not sending specially. You should watch the video and should write the worksheet through the answers send the through the WhatsApp group. Okay now. Next we have to learn about that cash crops. Cash crops means that cash crops are that growing for selling. That crops are for selling and earning profit rather than that used by farmers are called cash crops. That is cash crops grown for selling and that earning profit rather than the that we use by the farmers are called cash crops. That is cash crops we have the selling for others. That is for earning money. We have to taking a profit of that. Then we have to produce these cash crops. We have to learn about that crops are that what are the cash crops, which states are growing and which climates are there. We have to learn about now. This is that see crops which are states. Cash crops first one is that sugarcane. It grows hot and sunny areas. Sugarcane grows in hot and sunny areas. And it is used to making sugar and jaggery. You know that it is used for sugar and jaggery. And that India is the second producer of the sugarcane after Brazil. In the world, India is the second place. First one, second place is that rice in after China. And that next one cash crops in that cash crops sugarcane is the second place in the world after the Brazil. After the Brazil. That it is used for sugarcane, used for that sugar and jaggery. It grows on that hot and sunny areas. And which states are that sugarcane producing? That Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Bihar, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These states are producing the sugarcane. That sugarcane is the cash crop. That it grows in hot and sunny areas. It is India is the second producer of the sugarcane after Brazil. It is used for that sugar and jaggery. This is about sugarcane field. Next one, oil seeds. Do you know oil seeds? Oil, do you know? We are making curries and we have to deep fry like puri, vada, mirchi. We have to use deep fry means what we required. What is the main requiring? That is oil now. How when it comes? Then it comes to the oil seeds. It's oil seeds where it grows. It grows as well in warm climates with moderate rainfall. With the moderate rainfall. That in that mustard oil, groundnut oil, sesame and castor seeds and these are the some oil seeds and sunflower also we are making the oil to use it for cooking and that they are used for making edible oil for that cooking. Now only I said to know for the cooking of curries, for the deep fry we have to use every food we have to make with the oil, with the help of oil. It is the main ingredients of making of food. Then which states are producing these oil seeds? This is the main seed states are that Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Odisha, AP. These oil seeds are mostly grows on this Next one we have to go we have to go to the oil seeds. After oil seeds, spices. 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 It is are used for enhance the flavor of food items. Spices means మంచి మంచి ఫ్లేవర్స్ వస్తాయి లైక్ క్లోవ్స్ cardamom and what do you know, that is cumin seeds and these are that spices are used to enhance the flavor of food items. Then that is chili. Yes, we can use to cook food for curries. Chili powder, turmeric, pasupu and cumin, ginger and black pepper, that is called miriyalu, that is black pepper and cardamom and clove. The fennel powder are used to spices. In that way, when we are cooking the food, we have to add the flavors, good flavor. We can add the flour. These spices, these are called spices. It grows or that it's used for enhance to the flavor of food items. Its grows are mainly the states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala and Karnataka. The spices are produced in main states are these. Next is the tea. Tea, we have every morning father, mother or elder and parents are taking compulsory tea. Then where it is grows, it grows in areas with warm and heavy rainfall where water can flow easily. Yes, it grows areas with a warm climate and that what is that heavy rainfall where water can flow down, not straight the water, they have to come down. That areas the tea fields are growing. That is the India is the second largest tea producing. India is the second largest producer as well as consumer of tea. That second place, what is that? Rice, sugarcane and tea producing. In that second place, the largest second place of producing of product of consumer and producer in tea in the world after China. These also after China, second place for India. First place China. What is that? Rice and tea and sugarcane. After Brazil, India is the second place. That which states are the tea will grow most Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh. These areas, why? Because these areas have totally hilly areas. The water can flow down easily when the heavy rainfall going on. In the times heavy rainfall going on also, that water will can flow downstairs easily. That place it is preferred to grows tea. After that, coffee. That is same related to the tea. That coffee grows it's similar to climate. What is the similar climate is that? That is it grows areas with the warm and heavy rainfall where water can goes down easily. The same similar climate like tea. The states are, what is the states are there? That is Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And these seeds are called coffee beans. Yes, the beans, coffee beans. Then we can make it to flour. Then we can use to powder to add the milk and we have to take the coffee. That states are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. That is main states to producing the coffee. Next one is that cotton. Yes, that is the main fiber. It is that the main fiber crop in the world is the main fiber crop. It is grows black and soil. It is grows black soil and that requires what it requires a hot and humid climate. The cotton crops required to climates that is hot and humid climate. Which soil is better for the crop? That is that black soil. In that, which states are growing, that producing this cotton crop? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. It is that mostly they have to producing the cotton. Next one is jute. These also same type. which type of cotton type? Jute. It grows hot and wet areas. It grows hot and wet climate. Where it grows hot and wet climate. It is an important fiber crop. Yes, it is the important fiber crop. The states are that West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Bihar and then Uttar Pradesh. The jute will produce main states are that West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Assam and Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. These are the food crops. We learn about that food crops and cash crops. Now I am giving to specially not sending any worksheet through the WhatsApp. In the lesson I have to inform to that food crops, what are the food crops are there, that you can make a list out and you can write the table and you have to mention the cash crops and features, what are the states are producing. Should that list out that table. This is the worksheet, compulsory send through the WhatsApp.